Welcome to VidSpark. Today we're taking you on an adventure through Sweden's top kayaking destinations, where we'll explore some of the most breathtaking spots in the country. Whether you're a seasoned paddler or just starting, these locations offer something for everyone. And as a bonus, we'll explain the importance of Allemansrätten, the unique Swedish law that allows you to roam freely in nature. Let's dive in. Our first stop is the iconic Stockholm Archipelago. With over 30,000 islands, this area offers endless opportunities for exploration. Whether you're weaving through small islands or paddling along the coastline, the archipelago is a kayaker's dream. The archipelago is a mix of inhabited islands where you can stop for a traditional Swedish fika and remote, uninhabited islands where you might feel like you have the whole world to yourself. The diversity here is astounding. You'll find everything from rugged cliffs to sandy beaches and even ancient Viking sites. The best time to visit is during the summer when the days are long and the weather is mild. And thanks to Allemansrätten, Sweden's right of public access, you can freely camp on most islands. Just remember to leave no trace and respect the wildlife. For beginners, I recommend starting near Vaxholm, where the waters are calmer and you're never too far from a friendly local who can offer advice. Don't forget to pack layers. Even in summer, the weather can change quickly. Next, we head to Glogan Nature Reserve in Värmland. This hidden gem is perfect for those who crave solitude and a deep connection with nature. With over 80 lakes and waterways, Glogan is a peaceful retreat for kayakers. The landscape here is incredibly diverse. From dense forests to open meadows, you'll paddle through some of the most untouched nature Sweden has to offer. One of the highlights of kayaking in Glogan is the sense of tranquility. You might not see another person all day, but you will see plenty of wildlife, including moose, deer, and a variety of birds. The fishing here is also excellent. With proper permits, you can try your hand at catching pike or perch. Glogan became a nature reserve in 1970, preserving its unique ecosystem. The reserve is well marked with trails, and there are numerous shelters where you can stop for a break. If you're planning a multi-day trip, consider bringing a map or GPS, as it's easy to get lost in this vast wilderness. Third on our list is the Goa Canal, often referred to as Sweden's Blue Ribbon. This historic canal stretches 190 kilometers and offers a unique kayaking experience. Paddle through beautiful countryside, pass by charming towns, and navigate through historic locks that date back to the early 19th century. The Goa Canal was a monumental engineering project, taking 22 years to complete and involving over 58,000 workers. Paddling through the Goa Canal is like taking a step back in time. You'll pass through 58 locks, each one an opportunity to marvel at the ingenuity of the canal's designers. Along the way, you can stop at small towns like Söderköping or Motala, where you can enjoy a meal at a local cafe or visit a museum. One tip for navigating the locks: it's best to have a buddy who can help you portage around them if needed. And don't miss the chance to stop at Berg's Locks, one of the most impressive series of locks on the canal. If you're planning a longer trip, there are plenty of campsites and hostels along the route. Now let's explore the Santana Archipelago on Sweden's east coast. With over 6,000 islands, this area is less crowded than the Stockholm Archipelago, offering a more secluded and tranquil experience. The waters here are calm, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced kayakers. The archipelago is known for its crystal-clear waters and the small, picturesque fishing villages that dot the landscape. One of the unique features of the Santana Archipelago is the abundance of smooth, flat rocks that are perfect for sunbathing or picnicking. Many of the islands are uninhabited, giving you a true sense of solitude. The area is also rich in history. Some of the islands were used as strategic outposts during the wars between Sweden and Denmark. The best time to visit is late summer, when the waters are warm and the days are long. Bring plenty of water and a good hat. The sun can be intense, even in Sweden. And if you're visiting a local village, be sure to try some freshly caught fish, a local delicacy. Last but certainly not least, we visit Höga Kusten, or the High Coast. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers some of the most dramatic landscapes in Sweden, with steep cliffs, deep forests and calm bays. It's a bit more challenging, but the stunning views are well worth the effort. The high coast is known for its unique geological features, which were formed by the rising land after the last ice age. Paddling along the high coast is like exploring a natural sculpture gallery, with every turn revealing a new and breathtaking vista. The area is also home to several rare species of plants and animals, making it a haven for nature lovers. Due to the challenging nature of the terrain, this area is best suited for experienced kayakers. Make sure you're prepared for sudden changes in weather and always let someone know your planned route. The rewards, however, are unmatched. There's nothing quite like watching the sunset over the cliffs of the high coast. Before you set out on your Swedish kayaking adventure, it's important to understand Allemansrätten, or the right of public access. This unique Swedish law allows everyone to explore nature freely, whether it's camping, hiking, or kayaking. However, this freedom comes with responsibility. Always respect private property, keep your distance from homes and farm buildings, and never disturb wildlife. Allemansrätten is what makes exploring Sweden's natural beauty so special. It allows you to immerse yourself in the landscape, camp in the wild, and enjoy the natural world up close. But remember, with great freedom comes great responsibility. Always clean up after yourself, use existing fire rings, or bring a portable stove, and be mindful of the impact you have on the environment. By following these simple guidelines, we can all enjoy Sweden's stunning nature for generations to come. Sweden is a kayaker's paradise, with endless opportunities to explore its diverse landscapes. Whether you're paddling through archipelagos, navigating historic canals, or discovering remote nature reserves, there's something for everyone. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on your travels. Happy travels!